What's going on, guys? Roll with Romer here. I'm joined with Warner, aka Fields of Profit.
What's up?
That name is for a reason. It's because he literally makes fields of profit. He's from the Midwest, Wisconsin. Is that considered Midwest up there?
I think so. Yeah.
Pretty close to the cornfields. And this guy literally has a field in his backyard just filled with profit. That's why his name is Fields of Profit.
Yeah, that's where it came from.
He's only a few miles away from Miles. Flips for Miles. Just kidding. I'm trying to make too many puns here. And today what we're going to do is a smash or pass type episode with Warner, and this is a real one. If you guys haven't already watched the other video I just shot with Warner, it'll be linked below. And we're going to actually look into products that I actually purchased. I know whether or not I made profit off these, but Warner does not. And so we're going to see how intelligent this individual truly is when it comes to
like a test. All right.
decisions. Because I know the answer. I know the future. This is like, going to the lottery and you pull the slot machine. I know what's going to happen. Or maybe a better example would be the stock market. I know that Bitcoin's going to go up or down before he even knows. We're looking into the future with these Keepa charts. So hopefully I did a good job of opening these tabs, and they should only have the date range of Keepa available where I was actually thinking of at the time of the purchase. So he's seen everything that I thought of the time of the purchase, but after each decision, we're going to look into the future and see what actually happened.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential.
And let's get into this. Welcome to the channel.
Glad to be here. I like the concept. You didn't explain the concept. Maybe that was the point, but I like the concept.
Yeah. So this is the first product here. As you can see, seller amp saying, and tell me whatever you want to do, just walk me through it. I know you don't have control of the screen, but if you want to open up data, offers tab, whatever.
Yeah.
But you can see I could pick these up for $11.25 at the time. I will tell you, it was a limited time sale on a very popular website.
Okay.
And, so yeah, what are you thinking here?
I
think I picked these up. It was May 25th-ish.
Yeah. Okay, it seems to check out. Will you go to the offers tab?
Yeah. We can change this real quick because it was closer to 27.
Okay. And the reason we want to see the offers tab is to see how much of these people are genuinely selling. So I guess this is real-time data, but it still shows us. Okay, so people are actually selling it a little bit. I would say this it feels like a trap, but theoretically this one should have been fine. The only concern is that the sales per month is low. So if that sale was easy to find for other people, there would be even 2 or 3 extra sellers on a sale on an item with 35 sales is going to cause some tanking. So a little bit risky, but I think theoretically it should have stayed profitable.
So knowing it's a limited time sale makes a little bit of a different purchasing decision, right? Because it's not like you can purchase this and be sure that you can buy it for the same price in the future. It's more of a one-time opportunity. How many would you pick up?
If it's on 35, probably 12, something like that.
Okay.
You don't want to be too deep on them just in case they do tank, but you don't want to buy 2 because what is 2 units doing for you?
Yeah. All right, perfect. So yeah, I ended up selling these. Let's open up the spreadsheet here. I ended up selling these for, where are they at? 1 second. I think I made about 60%, or no, I think I made 33% ROI. So this was a good product, and that was after the returns and everything. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So this is a shoe. It's at 194 sales per month, and I forgot to put this where I bought. I think I bought this sometime in May, so we can kind of zoom in right here. So this is what I was seeing at the time where I purchased.
Yeah, so I saw the answer to this one, I guess, but everything seems to check out. There's a small concern that the new sellers is increasing pretty good amount. It went from 5 up to 10 to 12, but nothing too worrisome. It's selling decent amount, 200 sales per month. That feels like an underestimate on an item like this with that many ratings. So Just based on the ratings count, I feel like the volume's high enough that it would stay profitable, which we know is the correct answer because we saw the we saw the chart.
Yeah. So yeah, I ended up selling a couple of these for a profit, and one of them got returned. So my spreadsheet's currently saying not profitable, but as long as that return sells again, I'll be in the money. So I ended up making a profit off of this. Okay, so this final product here, I ended up buying a lot of these. So let's see, did I do a good job? Yeah, I did. Pick these up right around June 10th. So I mean, there's a lot going on here, but I'll let you take over.
There's just way too many sellers here. The volume seems to be pretty good though. Is there variations?
I will tell you, I plugged in 15 at the time when I purchased this because that's what I thought I could sell for.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Is there variations on this one, or is it just this?
Let's check it out. Looks like there's no variations tab. So
there's no tab. Right. Yeah. No, this one's interesting. I guess based on the concept, I imagine this one did tank. This one is on the trickier side. That's a pretty big new seller spike. So what I would have checked here is to see how deep a lot of those new sellers are stocked with the offers tab. And if I see like several people stocked really deep, then I'd stay away. If you see 40 of those sellers have 5 in stock, it doesn't really matter at all on an item that's selling this fast. But yeah, I guess that sale was probably really easy to find. Lots of people bought pretty deep on it. And
I think people were buying this from multiple websites, health and beauty products. So let's zoom out and see what actually happened. I ended up not losing a bunch of money, and it's actually interesting because I think I like always classic roamer move. I sold out at the bottom, freaked out. I was like, let me get my money back. Sold out at $12, but as you can see, it's actually the price is actually recovered.
Yeah. This is I would expect to see a recovery, especially if that sale goes away, because it's just such massive volume. This is an interesting,
really
something a lot of a lot of the guys at home are probably thinking about as well is like how early are you dropping prices after the price tanks?
Yeah, I came up with a really bad strategy to reprice after 30 days, just panic sell. So that wasn't good. But now after talking with a lot of people, I think I'm going to wait like 90 days. I think I'm going to wait. I'm going to hold out at a 10% ROI, 10%, a minimum price that would be a 10% ROI, and at least stay at least at that price for 90 days and then fire sell.
Okay. Yeah. We go to like 10% or so after about like 45 days, and then we'll go to whatever it takes after like 75 to 90 days. Just once you get close to 3 months, it's not recovering. And if it does, I'm not interested in waiting around until it does. But oftentimes you'll see stuff like this, especially with volume listings. It's good to see kind of a suspicion being confirmed here when that sale goes away, everyone is out of stock. Like you can see, especially on the keeper chart down there, where all the guys who had like 3 in stock sold out. There's that huge decline, like right there. Yeah. And then right now, everyone who's left, I assume, bought fairly deep on it.
Yeah, and these sold so fast. Like when I buy boxed, I sold out like the same day. So I should have definitely held out, especially with Q4 coming around the corner. I mean, that's still kind of far away, but I mean, that's the kind of cool thing about right now is like for booksellers, it's textbook season. So we're getting a bunch of money from that. And then, everything we're buying, we can be a little bit patient because Q4 is not too far away. So we can be kind of confident that the price might increase, but the demand will certainly increase on average for most ASINs. So that's exciting. Well, yep. So I lost about a couple, not a whole lot per. I think I sold a lot for like what, $12.95, 30 cents ish.
So you're like getting your money back basically.
Yeah. So it wasn't terrible. I think I actually sold for a little bit less than that. I think I sold for like $12.50. I know I lost like a couple cents, maybe like 30 cents per. And this is after my prep fees, so I'm paying $1 per. So if I would have prepped these myself,
gotcha. Yeah.
I would have made my money back. So appreciate you coming on, man. I'll be respectful of your time. I know you got to run. If you guys want to see more Fields of Profit, just look at the videos below. I'll link videos below that we shot. Also, his YouTube channel is below. Definitely go give him a sub. And again, as I said in the previous video, if you guys want to hop on Zoom calls with people like Fields of Profit, go to roamer.biz, and we'll be doing Zoom calls once every few weeks. And you guys can come on, show your face, ask us questions, and we'll get you answers. So much love, and thanks for coming on, man.
Cool. Thanks for having me.